Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you actually use your Apple ID for Game Center and that you can access the recovery channel, email, or trusted phone. Once done, open Settings on your device and tap your name at the top. This is the Apple ID Hub. Make sure two-factor is noted. If you see Password and Security, tap that. Do this now so you can trigger the official reset flow. There's no separate Game Center password apart from your Apple ID. Next, you trigger the official reset. If you're on a device signed in, go to Password and Security and choose Change Password. You'll authenticate with your device passcode. If you're locked out, go to iForget. Apple. Calm and enter your Apple ID, follow verification choices, trusted device prompt, SMS code, or recovery key. Once verified, create a new password meeting Apple's rules. This restores access to Game Center, because Game Center uses your Apple ID credentials. Finally, sign back into Settings and open Game Center to confirm the new Apple ID password works. You may need to re-enter it on each device. If two-factor prevents immediate access, start Apple's account recovery. It can take days, so be patient and keep an eye on your recovery contact methods. If recovery fails or you can't verify ownership, contact Apple support with device serial and purchase proof. This is the legitimate final step to regain access without guessing or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.